If you're applying for the Morocco eVisa, here's everything you need to prepare. The Morocco eVisa is a single-entry permit for tourism or business. Both the application and document submission are done entirely online. First, prepare a clear scan of your passport's bio page. It must be valid for at least 6 months from your planned arrival date. Next, have a recent digital passport-style photo taken within the last 6 months in color, on a plain white background, full face, front view, with a neutral expression. Depending on your eligibility, you may also need one of the following: a residence permit valid for more than 180 days, or a non-electronic multiple entry visa valid for over 90 days from an approved list of countries. If you're applying for a business e-visa, include supporting proof such as an invitation letter, meeting confirmation, or related document. When you arrive in Morocco, keep these ready: your e-visa, your passport, the residence permit or visa used in your application, return or onward ticket, proof of financial means, around €70 per person per day, travel insurance if requested. Prepare your documents, apply online, and get ready to experience Morocco.